This problem, F4-21, is almost like problem F4-19, but includes income tax expense and has no rent income. It's again on page F141. This particular problem still uses the formats on pages F122 and 123. The problem requires doing a single-step format income statement and multi-step format income statement. The company has $770,000 in sales revenue during 2004. The costs of goods sold totals $550,000. The first requirement is to prepare a 2003 income statement for the company using the single-step format. Once again, I've put the format together using the information on F122 and 123. Enter the sales revenue of $770,000, which has already been identified in the book. That's the only revenue, so the subtotal has already filled in correctly. Still next on the single-step format is expenses. The expenses are right here in your book on page 141. They are the cost of goods sold of $550,000, rent expense of $64,000, wages of $72,000, advertising of $16,400, utilities of $13,600. The total expenses without the income tax expense adds up to $716,000, and the net income before income taxes is calculated at $54,000. An income tax expense of $16,200, leaving the net income using the formula already there of $37,800. That is the single-step format with income tax expense included. In a multi-step format, we again calculate the gross margin, then take out the operating expenses, and then take out the income tax expense. Sales revenue is again $770,000. Costs of goods sold is $550,000. Within the operating expenses, there are again rent of $64,000, wages of $72,000, advertising of $16,400, utilities of $13,600. This totals to the operating expenses in the multi-step format, which are then subtracted from the gross margin to get the net income before taxes. Then the $16,200 of income taxes deducted, leaving the net income, using the formula already there, of $37,800. That's the multi-step format.